Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit green screen in Canva. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply upload your green screen image or video. Now I don't have one, so I'm gonna search for green screen here and use a free photo from Canva. So let's see if I have this one here. Now basically what you're gonna have to do is simply click on the edit button, and then here you're gonna have to simply look here where it says Magic Studio. Simply choose BG Remover. Now for this you're gonna need to have Canva Pro, as you can see, otherwise it won't work. But there are a lot of different ways that you can use other websites like bg.remover, which is completely free. But if you want to do that in Canva, you're gonna have to use the premium plan. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.